Welcome to this lesson on mock functions in PowerShell testing. Mock functions are powerful tools that allow us to simulate the behavior of real functions and dependencies. This technique is essential for creating isolated, reliable tests that don't depend on external systems like databases, web services, or file systems. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to create mock functions, control their behavior, and verify that your code interacts with them correctly. Mock functions are test doubles that simulate the behavior of real functions. Think of them as stand-ins or actors that play the role of actual functions during testing. Instead of calling a real database or making an actual network request, your test calls a mock function that returns predetermined data. This allows you to test your code in isolation without depending on external systems or complex implementations. Mock functions give you complete control over what data is returned and how functions behave during your tests. There are 4 key benefits to using mock functions. First, isolation. Mock functions let you test your code without external dependencies, so you're only testing the logic you care about. Second, speed. By avoiding slow network calls or database operations, your tests run much faster. Third, verification. Mock functions track how they're called, allowing you to verify that your code is interacting with dependencies correctly. Fourth, control. You can simulate specific behaviors and outcomes, including error conditions that would be difficult to reproduce with real systems. Let's look at how to create a basic mock function. First, you create a mock object using the new mock object cmdlet, specifying the type of object you want to mock. Then, you use addMember to add a script method to your mock object. In this example, we're creating a mock with a method called getData that returns the string mocked data. This mock will behave like a real object with a getData method, but instead of performing actual operations, it simply returns our predetermined value. Pester, PowerShell's testing framework, provides a built-in mock command that makes mocking even easier. Here, we're mocking the getService cmdlet. When any code calls getService during our test, instead of querying actual Windows services, it will receive our mocked object with the name mockService and status running. This is incredibly useful when testing functions that depend on getService, because you don't need actual services running on your test machine. The mock exists only within the scope of your test. Parameter filtering allows you to create mocks that only respond to specific parameter values. In this example, we're mocking getContent, but only when the path parameter equals c\config.txt. If your code calls getContent with a different path, the real getContent cmdlet will be called instead. This gives you fine-grained control over which calls are mocked and which aren't. It's particularly useful when your function calls the same cmdlet multiple times with different parameters, and you only want to mock specific calls. After your test runs, you need to verify that your code called the mocked functions correctly. The Assert-MockCalled cmdlet does exactly this. The first example verifies that getService was called exactly one time. The second example is more specific. It verifies that getContent was called exactly once with the path parameter set to c\config.txt. If your code didn't call the mock, or called it the wrong number of times, the assertion will fail and your test will report an error. This ensures your code is interacting with dependencies as expected. Let's review the key concepts from this lesson. First, mock functions isolate your code from external dependencies, making tests more reliable and focused. Second, use parameter filter to target specific calls when you need fine-grained control over which invocations are mocked. Third, always verify mock behavior using Assert-MockCalled to ensure your code interacts with dependencies correctly. Finally, remember that mocks make your tests faster and more reliable by eliminating slow operations and unpredictable external systems. With these techniques, you can write comprehensive tests that give you confidence in your PowerShell code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.